Hello, good people. How are you? So today's post is inspired by my son, who regularly talks about what he's going to do when he's grown, right? He is ready. And I understand that feeling. In fact, I remember feeling that way as a child, wanting to be grown, right? Which is really about wanting more agency in our lives. And that's understandable. But I also remember believing that there would be a point when I was grown, when everything would fall into place, all tied up neatly with a bow. And as I've moved into and through adulthood, it's become really clear that there's no magical moment where you say, all done, right? I've even thought, oh, maybe when you're done, you're dead. That is, you're not done until you're dead. Well, maybe not, right? If energy is neither created nor destroyed, then there's a part of us that is eternal. So done can be a trap. It can suck all the air out of a space, because when you're done, there's no room for new insight, for new perspective, for growth. And our place of power is in moving from the ED, done with that, to the ING, right? You're not done. You're evolving. And you can see that in your relationships. We can see that in our relationships, right? When we hit a snag with another person, when there's some tension, big or small, we can go into, I am done. Because what they're not going to do is, right? Well, they did it. Now what? Done can be a trap. And someone who feels trapped doesn't make good choices, right? That sense of confinement takes us deeper into our fears, into our traumas, and into our control dramas. So you're not done. You're having an emotion. And your emotions are information that help you to motor to a new place if you allow it. Your emotions are not an end-all, be-all. Right? When you're angry at someone or some situation, irritated, frustrated, for example, that's information. That is an invitation to change. Now, when you allow yourself to process those emotions, that is where the transformation happens. Anger as a precursor to determination, grief to gratitude, fear to freedom, right? And we talk a lot about manifestation these days. And manifestation, or the process of bringing new energies and experiences into your life, it's not magic. Rather, it's a reflection of the relationship you have with your own energy. And the ING opens you up to limitless possibility. It creates space within you. You're not done. You're evolving. You're not done. Your relationships are evolving. Tension in the relationship is an invitation to bring more attention to the relationship, right? And knowing that at a deep level gives you the space to renegotiate within yourself and the world around you, because every relationship comes with some tension. And every relationship requires some negotiation, because each of us comes with our own interests, our own programming, our own perspectives. That tension is an indication that it's time for a renegotiation, right? It's an invitation to change. And a willingness to negotiate lets you know that there's space to grow within that relationship. We are evolving. My healing, our healing, is in process now. I am and we are growing in healthy community together. Yeah. So thanks so much for tuning in. Please leave a comment if this resonates, and for a deep dive into practices that help you stay in that place of limitless possibility, check out my in-person Soma offerings for the year on my website. And until next time, much love.